In OrCAD X Capture, users can manage their design data by creating, adding, and sharing projects in cloud workspaces. To create a project directly in shared workspace, from the toolbar menu click File, New, Project. This will invoke the project creation dialog. Specify a project name and ensure that Use Workspace checkbox is checked, and click OK. To add an existing project present in your local disk, which is open in Capture, simply select the DSN from the project manager tree, do an RMB and click Add to Workspace. The local project which is open in current session of Capture will get copied to your local workspace. To view the projects in your cloud workspace, launch File Manager and click Projects folder to view all the projects added or created in the local workspace. To upload projects in bulk, open the locally cached workspace directory by clicking RMB menu, Show in File Browser. Copy-paste multiple projects directly in the local workspace projects directory. The projects that are copied will get synced and then will show up in the File Manager. To publish a project to shared workspace, select a project folder, do an RMB and click Publish. This will open the Publish dialog. In the Publish dialog, specify target workspace, revision, and add few comments. In the grid section below, user will be able to see all the files to be published along with the project directory. You will also see the summary of operation and log status of the project's file with respect to the target workspace. If needed, you can select and unselect the files or directory to be published using the checkboxes. Click Publish to publish the project. To edit projects present in shared workspace, select a project and click RMB menu Edit. In the Publish dialog, you will see the content of the project file and its status and action with respect to the local workspace. Click OK to publish the project to local workspace and then start modifying or editing it from your local workspace area. Whenever user edits a project from shared workspace, the project gets logged by the user and same is seen in the shared workspace. To release the log, publish the project back to the shared workspace from your local workspace. From shared workspace, user can also retrieve and edit older revisions of a project from the History section. Simply select a project revision and click RMB menu Edit to edit the revision of an existing shared project.